Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Beaver pet in Crow Garden. So the Beaver is one of the pets that you can get from the Easter event shop. And to unlock it, you will need maybe around 2,000 Choco coins. So make sure you have been grinding events like Egg War or completing quests to collect enough coins. And once you have enough, just head to the Easter event shop over here, like this, and then in here you can just buy this Beaver. Just tap on purchase and you will get this pet. And then now let's talk about its ability. The Beaver has a really unique skills, like every 7 minutes, around 7 minutes, it will go to a woody type fruit in your garden, and it will convert it into a random wooden base building cosmetic. And the best part, it will ignore any fruits that you have marked as favorite, so you don't have to worry about losing your important crops. And and okay, maybe that's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.